everyone, and welcome to My Natural Hair Delight, where you can enjoy rocking your natural hair with all natural ingredients. My name is Brittany Shine, and this is Natural Hairstyle number 14. Okay, so I have just done a twist out. I've done smaller twist outs in the back, and I've done a bun at the top. And my original plan was to do kinky curls in the back, but my kinky curls did not turn out right. It was a little frizzy at the top. Like in the back, my curls define really well, but as it gets closer to the front, I noticed that my kinky curls were not as defined as I would like it to be. So I'm gonna have to use more ingredients to define my curls. I've simply used just flaxseed gel alone. Flaxseed gel does define your curls sometimes, depending on your hair texture. You may be able to get away with just using flaxseed gel, but yeah, it did not work out for my hair. So I've done a twist out instead. Flaxseed gel does work really well for twist outs, okay? So this is a twist out. Basically just twisted my hair in each section in the back, and then I brushed my hair up in a bun, or in a ponytail, and then I wrapped it up in a bun with some bobby pins, and that is it. Now, if you would like a step-by-step instruction of how to do this particular hairstyle, you can simply go to my website at mynaturalhairdelight.com/hair courses. I also have a 24 natural hairstyle series alone. So if you would like to just learn all of the 24 natural hairstyles of how to just basically do a step-by-step instruction of how to do each and every single style, then you can check out 24 natural hairstyles, okay? But it is also in the hair courses as well, which I'm probably gonna change it to just hair courses alone, where I'll just have like all of the videos in the hair courses so that you'll be able to see a section of 24 natural hairstyles and a course of all of the other hair care tutorials. For example, like how to make deep conditioner, or how to make moisturizers, how to make gels, how to make all of these things. Okay, so I'm just gonna give you all a quick turnaround of what this looks like. So that is natural hairstyle number 14. I think I'm gonna call this hairstyle twist out with the bun at the top. I have similar hairstyles that are related to this particular hairstyle, but I just wanted to show you all what kind of hairstyles you can rock on your own hair with the 24 natural hairstyle series. Now, I wanted to just encourage you all to just rock your natural hair with all natural ingredients, okay? It can be very discouraging at times to rock your natural hair when you don't know how to take care of your hair or don't know what to apply to your hair. So that's why I am making these videos to help you all to take care of your hair so you can rock it. Like, your hair is beautiful, it's gorgeous, it's all a matter of how you take care of it, how you maintain it. And so that's why I have decided to do these videos, and just being led by the Holy Spirit. So I've just been obedient to the Lord. He's told me to just make videos to talk about natural hair. And it started back in 2019 when he gave me the name My Natural Hair Delight. And ever since then, I've just been taking care of my own natural hair, and he's given me wisdom on how to take care of my hair. And so now I just want to apply that wisdom and share that wisdom to you all, how to take care of your natural hair, okay? So thank you all for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have liked this video, please give it a like, share, and subscribe to My Natural Hair Delight. Tell as many people as you know about My Natural Hair Delight, and you can get a free product with a hair care book. Okay, so if you convince someone to purchase one of our products on our website, then you will have a free product and a hair care book. Okay, so check out the referrals on mynaturalhairdelight.com, and I will talk to you all again soon. Bye bye.